Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Cordless Pruner 20V from Parkside, the model PAAS 20LIB1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. Cutting capacity max 28mm in softwood and 15mm in hardwood. Accessories included. Recommended battery 20V 2Ah with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Typical Parkside case. We have the manual and the tool. Hex key and open-end spanner, blade guard protection, nice, and at the front we have the cutting blade, and you can use these two tools to replace the cutting blade if you want. Soft elements, I like that, at the handle. Same and at the trigger here. Definitely you can use it with one hand. And of course you need batteries. 8Ah or 4Ah professional. Of course you can use the regular batteries, but I only have professional batteries. I will use the 4Ah. And of course you need the charger, 2.4 amps or 4.5 amps, the fast charger. Use the regular charger, protect your batteries, and with a regular charger it takes about 30 to 45 minutes to charge the professional 4Ah or the 8Ah about 1 hour. Here we have the on-off switch. You can use the tool. You need to turn on, press this button once and it is on. Okay. Orange light, that means it's ready. To turn off, just press once. Press again. The tool has a start protection. That means when it is in green light, you need to press in 0.8 seconds twice. And now it is ready to use. And it will switch off automatically after 5 minutes. And after 1 minute about it will go to green again. So you need to repeat the process. Press the trigger twice in 0.8 seconds. Green. Now it's ready. It is orange. Is a versatile gardening tool designed for efficient and precise cutting of branches and plant materials. If you are tired of wrestling with stubborn branches, this battery-powered cordless pruner may just become your new gardening best friend. Capable of cutting branches up to 28mm in diameter for softwood and up to 15mm for hardwood, making it suitable for a variety of pruning tasks. Perfect for homeowners with overgrown hedges, orchard keepers maintaining fruit trees, landscape crews needing cordless freedom, anyone avoiding hand fatigue from manual pruners. Pro tip: Apply some lubricant to the blade after heavy use to maintain smooth operation. Whether you are taming wild hedges or precision trimming fruit trees, this pruner delivers professional results without the arm strain. And that's the Parkside 20V cordless pruner, your new best friend for taming bushes, trimming branches, and keeping your garden in check without the arm workout. Battery powered, no cords, no fuss, just clean cuts every time. If this pruner just made your gardening to-do list way easier, hit like, subscribe for more painless DIY hacks. Thanks for watching, keep those gardens sharp, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy pruning!